Okay, so now we've got our cursor in the right place. I want you to go up to Insert. In this Insert menu, anytime you want to add something to your document, you can usually find that in the Insert menu. Okay, so we have images, links, drawings, all kinds of things. But we're going to go to Image. Okay, you have a lot of options, uploading, searching. We're going to go to Drive. So when you go to Drive, on the right-hand side, you should see a few different options. I want you to look for Shared with Me. Now, Mike, because I shared this with you, you won't see it on my screen here, but in your computer, under Shared with Me, you should see a picture of two dogs labeled dogs.gif. Okay. It'll look like these dogs down here. Okay. So again, you're going to go to Shared with Me, and you'll see these dogs. Okay. Double-click the dogs, and they'll be inserted into your file. Next task is to play around a little bit with how pictures act in a document. First thing, resizing the picture. If you want to make this picture bigger or smaller, you always want to use the corners of a picture. I click on the little handlebar on the corner and I drag down to make it smaller, or I drag to make it bigger. You don't want to drag the sides because it will distort the proportions of your picture. Let's undo that. Unless for some reason you specifically want it distorted, we normally change the sizes from the corner. Okay, so we'll change the size of our picture. You can also center your picture with the Center Align button. Okay, so make your picture on the smaller side. So we're going to practice a few other things. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to practice moving this picture around. To move a picture, I click in the center and I start dragging. And what you'll notice is you should notice a cursor. There should be a blue cursor that will move. Wherever I let go of my mouse is where the picture will go. So right now my mouse or my picture will go between these two lines. I let go and the picture moves. The picture right now is acting like text. So wherever I put it, it will insert as if it was a letter. Okay. So I want you to take a second and get your picture inside the poem somewhere. Because the next thing we're going to look at are these words underneath the picture. These are very important. They really help you customize your document. So right now the words inline is gray. And inline means this picture is like text. It's going to go in between the lines. Okay? It moves the text completely out of the way. Now I want you to click Wrap Text. If you click Wrap and you move this around, what you'll notice is the text goes to the left and the right, or above it and below it. If I click off of the picture, it's as if the picture moves everything around it. Click back on our picture to select it, and you'll see Wrap Text is gray. So that's a pretty cool feature as well. The next is Break Text. Break Text makes the picture act like a line of text. It moves the text above it and below it. So what I want you to do is choose Wrap Text, and I want you to put the dogs right in the middle of your poem. I want you to be able to see the text wrap around it. Now the last thing you're going to do is we're going to add a border to our picture. Make sure you select your picture and come up to the options up top. And we're going to focus on these border color, border weight, border dash. So we're going to click border weight and you're going to choose any of those options. Then we're going to make it dashed. We can change the color. If I click outside of my picture, you can actually see what that border looks like. So take a second and customize that border however you would like to make it look nice. As soon as you're done with everything, I want you to click somewhere in the text that's around your picture, add your comment, and tell me that you are done. And that's it.